Origin here likes to create things and sell them for money. My name is Rafael Popoca. I'm here to teach you about what a 3D printer is. I believe that you can get a 3D printer and be able to make things you can value in mind so you can sell them to different people. I'll be talking about what is a 3D printer, how a 3D printer works, and what business opportunity you can do with them. The first thing I'm talking about is what is a 3D printer. Here I have an example. This is the Bambu A1 Mini. There's other ones like the Ender V3, which is kind of the same design but different. And the other ones which are kind of bigger, so you can make different things. People started making houses out of them, but I use this concrete. Or I use other one for metal, but as I use it for manufacturing. We're not going to talk about those right now. So how it works, this is a nozzle. This is the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And straight here is the filament. So whenever you put the filament to the tube, and then once you press the start button, it usually heats up here to different type of degree to it, just depending on the type of filament you have. So this one's the PLA, usually goes to 200 Celsius. So once it heats up, it'll come down. From here, the nozzle, and then it starts printing out here first for the test try to make sure it prints out. And if it doesn't work and prints out, your device here, your pad, would tell you it's not printing. But usually it prints out, and then it'll start here in the middle for you. And then with this pen, sometimes helps out with, since I have the Bambu, it helps me easier with the tutorials. It tells me how to put the filament in, or if something's wrong. And this one I like more because mostly for the starters, because sometimes you have to break it out prior to make sure, because sometimes the filament gets stuck in here. Like the last time I had to take it off to make sure. I was scared at first because I thought I would break it, but it's easy to take out in parts. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the things you can print. Here I have some examples that I printed before. Like this one is where you put your AirPods, your wallet, your keys. And this one's for your K-cups. You get different designs for it, and then spin around if you want to change them later on. So you just put this one at the top. And you press stop. And this one is the soda opener. You open it with the soda, it opens up. And then if you want your soda for later on, or if you're outside and you know there's bugs, you just twist it and it closes for you to save them later. Now we're talking about the selling products and then think business opportunity. A lot of people that I've seen, they go to markets and sell them there. They do different design, which is smarter for them because they have different creative stuff. A lot of people like to make like anime stuff. What I've seen is people go to anime conventions or Comic-Con, like making like cosplays, they make helmets, different stuff. But they always use different filament because the PLA is pretty strong, or PLFS, but that's like not smooth for you, so it breaks easily. One thing I believe that later on stores could sell them, because since toys are getting pretty expensive now, a lot of people don't want to waste it. It usually costs $20 or $30. A lot of people don't want to waste it. But this, I usually like this. I started selling them for like $1, and I printed out already like 20, and I already $20 already. And since this costs $20, which it helps out, I still have a lot left over. I can print out more, and it saves me money out of it. So yeah, I'm wondering how much does the A 3D printer cost? This I got on a sale. It was $200, usually around $300. Sometimes they have a bundle with it, where it comes this and the filament, or there's the AMS lit, where you can print out 4 different colors at the same time. So on the app, it tells you which part you want to do the different colors into it. And then each filament costs about $20. Also depends what roll you get to. The smaller ones, those cost $10. Or they have a bundle with them. Like I bought a package of them, of the basic colors. I believe it was $30, and I still have a whole bunch of them. So it was pretty small, but it's not. Hopefully this helped you learn about 3D printers, and hopefully later on I can buy one and create things out of it. Thank you for listening to my nerd talk. My name is Rafael Popoca, and have a nice day.